Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to download and install LTspice on your computer. First open Google Chrome, then type LTspice download and hit enter. Click on the first result, which should be from analog.com. That's the official website. Scroll down. Once you are on the website, click the download for Windows 10 64-bit. That says download LTspice. The download should start automatically. After the download is complete, open the setup file. Click here. Now just follow the installation steps. Click next. Check I accept the terms in the license agreement. Click next. Click next. Leave everything as default. Then click next. Click install. Wait a few seconds for the installation to complete. Finally, click finish to launch LTspice. That's it. LTspice is now installed and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Create a new file. Here are all elements. It's ground, diode, resistor,